Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get stay home sticker on your Instagram stories. So many of them they can see this sticker, but for many of the user this sticker is not visible. So in this video I will show you how to get this sticker or how can you use this sticker in your Instagram stories. So basically, to use this uh, sticker you need to select any photo that you want to post it. So for now I will select this photo and I need to click on this sticker icon here, and you can see the first sticker is stay home, so you can place it where you want. So for me this sticker was not available before 2 days, but how I got is like I have updated my Instagram application. So if you don't have, you need to update your Instagram application. Sometimes we don't get this sticker very early because we are not updating our Instagram on time basis. So you can update your Instagram application and you will get it within 24 hours if you are not getting instantly. And the second thing you can do, even if you don't find this sticker, you can report a problem. So this is a simple way. So you need to add a screenshot. So I will add a video link in my description. You can see that video how to report a problem in a proper manner. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.